Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Gripn and Ripn, and just wanted to take a minute and talk to you about some things that happened in 2020. So the video today is basically going to be the reason why I fished so heavily in 2020, and then a little slideshow of everything that I got this year and how successful it was. But I just wanted to start by talking to you about how 2020 wasn't all bad. I mean, I got a lot of time on the water this year, and it meant a lot to me, and I'll explain why. So back in the summertime, we realized my grandfather wasn't doing too well, and my grandfather is the reason that I even started fishing when I was younger. A lot of my memories involve him, and that goes the same for a lot of people. So he's pretty well known in Salisbury, Maryland, for his fishing ability and for the fact that he taught so many people how to fish. So when he wasn't doing well, I started fishing heavily again, and I would get up with him. I'd send him photos of everything I was catching, and then he would call me immediately and try to guess how big the fish were just based on my photos. And he was always way too gracious. I always thought they were much bigger than they were, but I could hear the excitement in his voice, and even through the discomfort that he was feeling. But you know, it was a goal of my dad and I to get him back out on the water to try fishing again. But unfortunately, we weren't able to do that due to the level of discomfort he was feeling, and my pop-up passed away. So one of the good takeaways from all this is that I just feel comfort in knowing that every time I'm out fishing and there's some heavy hitting bass, and you know, my pop-up just pops in my head every time I catch a fish. Although I wish I could call and talk to him about it and show him the catches, show him the pictures of them. It's just comforting knowing that his memory is not going to fade for me, because there's like this, you know, this binding between his memory and the excitement of catching a fish. And just wanted to share what 2020 meant to me and why this was so important to me. It was kind of my way of dealing, and I'd like to thank my wife for being so understanding and letting me deal with things in a way that I felt was appropriate for me, which was being out on the water and fishing more. So here's a little clip, a bit of 2020, the experience I had, and a couple pictures of all the fish I've caught throughout the year. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like it, share it. You know, I'd really appreciate it. And get out there and hook on people. I'll catch you later. Hope you liked the video. So tune in next time. Please subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing, and get out there and get after it.